This is how you raise up the next generation of farmers, friends.
Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So today we are going to be doing a chicken. Jake, let's see that chicken. So the story behind this chicken is that Jake got to process his first chicken this summer. And this chicken is from our broody mama who hatched out a bunch of roosters. And this rooster was mean. So we finally called him. We won't call any chicken unless there's a reason to call a chicken. And there was a reason for this one. So Jake, how was it processing your first chicken?
A little slimy.
Slimy. It is slimy. So he did all of it. He called the chicken and he cut it all up, and with my help he took all the guts out. He did everything. He did it all himself. So now he gets to cook his first chicken as well. But this summer, are you prepared to do like 180 chickens with us?
Maybe.
Yeah, he's gonna be doing that. Like, it's part of his chores now. He's gonna have 180 chickens that he's gonna have to take care of and then also process. So let's go ahead and head up to the house and we're gonna start cooking this chicken.
All right, friends, so now we have our chicken and it is all clean. You want to make sure you rinse your chicken off really good and then pat it dry before you put any seasonings on it. Jake has chosen tequila lime barbecue rub for his chicken. So I'm going to have him go ahead and coat the outside and the inside of the chicken with his rub. All right, friends, so let me know down in the comments if you have ever processed an animal and what animal it was and what you thought about the experience. I would love to know what your experience was with processing your own animals. So far here on the homestead, we've only done the chickens as well as our pigs that we did earlier this year, and it has been a very interesting experience. Because this is a rooster, you can tell that the breast meat is very minimal because this was a rooster, but there's still plenty of meat on there and he's gonna enjoy it, I'm sure. All right, let's head outside and let's get the smoker going so that we can go ahead and start smoking our chicken here.
All right, friends, so we're outside with the smoker. We're gonna be using the Jim Beam bourbon barrel pellets for our smokers. So I'm gonna go ahead and have Jake go ahead and pour those into our smoker. We're gonna have it preheating at 250, and then once it comes up to temperature, we'll go ahead and put on our chicken. All right, friends, so our temperature has now gotten up to 250. I'm gonna go ahead and have Jake go ahead and put that on the smoker right now. Halfway through the cooking process, we're gonna go ahead and put a thermometer in there, and we'll also turn the chicken the other direction so that the smoke hits the other side of that chicken and you have an even smoke with your meat. So I'll see y'all back when it's time to put that thermometer in. All right, friends, so our chicken is done. It is at 165, so I'm gonna go have Jake go ahead and pull it out, and we'll take it inside and let it rest for about 20 minutes before we go ahead and cut into it. Don't drop it.
No promises. No, he got all over me, Katie.
How is it, Jake?
It's nice. It's delicious.
All right, Jake, so now that you have tasted your hard work, will you do this again?
Probably.
Food always will motivate a teenager. Can you give Jared some?
Don't bite me, Mitchie.
Jared, what do you think?
What you want?
You want some more?
Good boy.
All right, friends, so thanks for stopping by the homestead today as Jake went ahead and butchered his first chicken and cooked it. This is how you raise up the next generation of farmers, friends. You get the teenagers involved, and they love it because they love to eat. Until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.